First of all, I want to revise previous chapter, previous topic. In previous days, I discussed about chemical reactions and equations. What are chemical reactions? We observe in our surroundings various changes. For example, cooking of food, ripening of fruits, respiration, formation of curd from milk. These all are chemical reactions. In chemical reactions, some substances which involve in reaction, which take parts in chemical reaction, are called reactants. And those substances which are formed after reaction is called product. Generally, we write the molecular formula of reactants left side in equation and molecular formula of products in right side of reactions. I use molecular formula of reactants if in reactions more than two or more than two substances, then I write to molecular formula of each substance and give plus sign. For example, when zinc reacts with sulfuric acid, then we write zinc plus molecular formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. These two substances are called reactants because these two substances take part in chemical reaction, and now after reaction two new substances are formed, ZnSO4 plus H2. It is called chemical equation. In chemical equation, we use generally molecular formula of reactants and molecular formula of products. Now, I balance these chemical reactions. We observe in both sides of equation the number of atoms of particular elements or particular elements is equal. For instance, Zn single, SO4, atoms of two hydrogen. These are called balanced chemical equation. We observe many changes in chemical reactions. Formation of precipitate, formation of precipitate, What is precipitate? After reaction, a solid substances are formed which settle down on the base of conical flask, beaker, etc. is called precipitate. Second, for example, formation of precipitate, change in color, change in color, change in state, change in temperature, etc. There are various changing. We have changing temperature. In chemical reactions, it is most essential to observe the changing in temperature. Either heat is absorbed or heat is evolved during chemical reactions. Types of chemical reactions are discussed in previous days. Types of chemical reactions. There are following types of chemical reactions. First of all, types of chemical reactions. Type of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions. Combination reaction. Combination reaction. In these reactions, either two elements or one element and one compound combine to each other and form a single product. Combination is combined. Combination means combined. For example, C plus O2. There are two elements, carbon and oxygen, combine to each other and form a single product. 2Mg plus O2. 2MgO. In these reactions, we observe two elements form single compounds. One element and one compound are also combined to each other. Two compounds CaO plus H2O. CaO calcium oxide plus H2O CaOH का whole 2 calcium hydroxide. In this reaction, these are two compounds, these are two elements, but in this reaction calcium oxide is a compound, water is another compound, and formation of calcium hydroxide, single product. So these all are below in combination reactions. I discussed these reactions in previous classes. Second, decomposition reactions. Decomposition. Decomposition reactions. In these reactions, a single heavy substance break down, decomposed by heating, and form two or more than two simpler substances. Decomposition of single substances by various ways. Some substances are breaking down after heating, some substances are breaking down after passing of electric current, some substances are breaking down by light. So, in various ways, there are three types of decomposition reactions. First of all, thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition. In these reactions, a single substance when heated, a single heavier compound when heated, then it breaks into simpler two or more than two simpler substances. CaCO3, calcium carbonate, when we heat it, then calcium carbonate break down into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Lead nitrate, PbNO3 का होल 2, PbNO3 का होल 2, 2PbNO3 का होल 2, हीट 2PbO प्लस NO2 plus O2. Then I balance these chemical reactions. Here number of nitrogen atoms 4, 2 multiplied to 4. There is single nitrogen atoms, we write 4 NO2. 2 PbO. Atoms of lead 2, there is also 2. Now we write number of oxygen atoms. 3 multiplied to 12. We count 2, 4 multiplied to 8 to 10 plus 2O2, 4. It is called balanced chemical equations and thermal decomposition. After heating, calcium carbonate decomposed into calcium oxide, carbon dioxide, lead nitrate decomposed into lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide, and oxygen. Oxygen is balanced. When I write molecular formula of O2, then number of oxygen atom is balanced. It is an example of thermal and various examples. FeSO4, ferrous sulfate. It is called ferrous sulfate. When I heated ferrous sulfate, then it decomposed into Fe2O3, ferrous oxide, ferric oxide, Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3, Fe2O3, ferric oxide plus SO2, sulfur dioxide plus SO3, sulfur trioxide. A single substances. Then we balance it. Here the number of iron atoms 2. Here the number of iron atom is single, so we write 2. Then sulfur 2, oxygen 4 to 8, 3 to 5, 3, 8. It is called balanced chemical equations. These 3 examples are examples of thermal decomposition, because all these 3 substances, calcium carbonate, lead nitrate, ferrous sulfate, are after heating break down into 2 or more than 2. Here 2, but in these cases 3, more than 2 simpler substances. These are the examples of thermal decomposition. Second examples of decomposition reaction, electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic decomposition. In these reactions, when we pass electric current, then a reactants splitted into 2 or more than 2 simpler substances. For instance, H2O passing electric current 2H2 plus O2. It is an example of electrolytic dissociation. 2NaCl, sodium chloride. When we dissolve common salt in beaker and then we pass electric current in it, then sodium chloride dissociates into 2Na plus Cl2 gases. These all are gases. I write the equations more informative, then we symbolize it. For example, O2, oxygen is gas, so we write gas. It is also gas. Solid, sodium is solid, so we write symbol S. Chlorine is gases, we write G for gases. These 2 reactions are examples of electrolytic decomposition. Because why these are called electrolytic decomposition? Because we dissociate it after passing electric current. Do you understand? And third example is photolytic dissociation. Photolytic dissociation. Some substances, when kept in sun rays, then it dissociates into simpler substances or more than two simpler substances. These are called photolytic dissociation. For example, silver chloride, 2AgCl, sunlight, silver chloride when keep in a plate and keep it in sun rays, then silver chloride dissociates into silver and chlorine. It is an example of photolytic dissociation. Silver bromide, 2AgBr, it is a molecular formula of silver bromide in sun rays, 2Ag plus Br2, these all are gases. So further we observe there are three types of decomposition reaction: thermal decomposition reaction, electrolytic decomposition reaction, and photolytic decomposition reactions. These three factors which dissociates a heavy substances into two simpler ones are called decomposition. Two or more than two simpler ones are called thermal decomposition. Now we come on displacement reactions. Displacements reactions. Third reaction is called displacements. Displacement reactions. What are displacement reactions? In these reactions, we observe some elements are more reactive than other elements. For example, potassium, barium, calcium, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, nickel, tin and lead. Then we write hydrogen. Then copper, mercury, Hg, Au, various. It is called reactivity series. The above elements in each case is more reactive than lower ones. For example, potassium is more reactive than barium is more reactive than calcium is more reactive than sodium is more reactive than magnesium is more reactive than aluminum, etc. It is called reactivity series. In displacement reactions, a more reactive element displaces a less reactive elements from their compounds. For example, Zn plus H2SO4. ZnSO4 plus H2. In these reactions, Zn is more reactive than hydrogen. Zn, places of Zn here, hydrogen here. Zn is more above than hydrogen. So Zn is more reactive than hydrogen. So Zn displaces hydrogen from its compounds sulfuric acid. Zn is more reactive than hydrogen. So Zn, zinc, displaces hydrogen from their compound sulfuric acid. We write ZnSO4 and H2. It is called displacement reactions. Means Zn जो है सो ज़्यादा अभिक्रियाशील है हाइड्रोजन से, इसलिए जिंक ने क्या किया कि हाइड्रोजन को उसके कंपाउंड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड से हाइड्रोजन को निकाल दिया, बाहर कर दिया, विस्थापित कर दिया। इसलिए इस विस्थापन अभिक्रिया हिंदी में कहते हैं, इंग्लिश में इसको डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शंस कहते हैं। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? Zn plus CuSO4. Other example, Zn plus CuSO4. Dear students, we observe in reactivity series, Zn is here and Cu is below hydrogen. So Zn is more reactive than Cu. In this way, Zn displaces Cu from their compound CuSO4. Zn displaces Cu copper from their compounds copper sulfate. ZnSO4 plus Cu. It is called displacement reactions. Various displacement reactions. Cu plus 2AgNO3 देखो, Cu plus 2AgNO3 silver nitrate. Copper, below copper there is mercury. So copper is more reactive than mercury. Copper is more reactive than mercury. Here in this reaction, copper displaces, mercury not mercury, Cu Hg below Hg ऐसे लिखो, Cu है, Hg है, Ag है, Au है। तो Cu is more reactive than Ag. So Cu displaces Ag, silver, from their compound silver nitrate. CuNO3 का whole 2, NO3 का whole 2 plus 2Ag. Why we write NO3 का whole 2? Means in this reactions, valencies of silver is single, valencies of nitrate is also single. Ag positive, nitrate negative. So molecular formula of silver nitrate is AgNO3. But in copper nitrate, valencies of copper is 2, valencies of nitrate is single. So the valencies of charge of nitrate Cu1 and charge of copper 2 writes below the nitrate radical. So we use bracket. In class 9 you also know about the molecular formula. You studied about write the molecular formula. How we write the molecular formula? So we write bracket and under 2 whole 2. It is another example of displacement reactions, because copper here and Ag here, so copper is more reactive in it. Each upper element is more reactive than lower elements. But when we write Cu plus ZnSO4, this reaction is not takes place. क्यों? Why this reaction is not take place? Because Cu is lower and Zn is above. Cu is less reactive than Zn, so Cu doesn't displaces Zn from zinc sulfate.